Many students mix these three words up. Let's fix it in under 2 minutes. Mr. Mitchell here, and welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy. In this lesson, we are learning about homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and different spellings. Today, we are focusing on there, and there. Let's start with their, T-H-E-I-R. There shows that something belongs to someone. That is their bag, or their house is very big. Now let's look at their T-H-E-R-E. There tells us about a place or position. The book is over there. Put it in there, please. Finally, we have their T-H-E-Y apostrophe, our E. There is short for they are. The apostrophe shows that a letter is missing. It replaces the letter A in R. They're going to the park. They're very happy. Now it's your turn. Choose the correct homophone to complete each sentence. They left bags here. Put the chair over. Going to the shops. Pause the video here and then we'll check the answers together. Let's check the answers together. They left their bags here. Put the chair over there. They're going to the shops. If you got those correct, well done. So remember, homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and different spellings. Keep learning with our Learn Homophones playlist. Next, watch our lesson on your and your. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. I'll see you in the next video.